Welcome to DIY Easy Crafts. Today we're going to take a look at how to quickly and easily repair damage to resin projects. Now resin is actually pretty easy to work with. This is a Chinese checkers board that I made, and I gouged it when I was drilling the holes for the marbles. So a very quick fix. I sanded it lightly with 1000 grit paper. You could use almost any grit paper. And then I filled it in with clear resin. In this case I'm using Total Boat thickset resin, which is what the board itself was cast out of. Now, if you're fixing a colored project, you're going to have to try to match the color. Clear is much easier to work with. I then, after it hardened for 4 or 5 days to get really nice and hard, I then sanded it off, and I went through a few grits with this. I started with 400, then I went to 1000, then I went to 2000, and I basically went through the whole polishing process again. Now I did a whole separate video on polishing resin. I'm not going to go through this in detail. But in reality, all I did was fill in the void or the damage area and then go through the stages of polishing with different grit papers down to 2000 and then rubbing compound and eventually polishing compound. I then got out the router again, lined up the spot where the hole had been that I filled while I was filling in the gouge, and I re-drilled that marble hole. And this is just with a 1/4 inch diameter bit. And you can see it can't tell where the damage had been at all. I'm going to finish polishing this with a buffing wheel and the polishing compound, and I actually put a coat of wax on it. A very, very quick and easy repair to damaged resin. And like I said before, if you're working with colored resin, you just have to kind of match up the color as best you can. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYeasycrafts.com. Got a ton of how-to videos and projects on there that you can check out. Thank you very much.